Tamarind is a key ingredient for tamarind chutney, providing a tangy and sour flavor. Jaggery or sugar is used to balance the sourness of tamarind, adding sweetness to the chutney. Salt enhances the overall flavor profile of tamarind chutney, bringing out the other ingredients' tastes. Red chili powder contributes heat and spiciness to tamarind chutney, adding a vibrant kick. Roasted cumin powder provides a smoky and earthy flavor note to tamarind chutney. Black salt adds a unique sulfurous and savory flavor to tamarind chutney, enhancing its complexity. Tamarind pulp is prepared for cooking by soaking it in warm water. Soaking softens the tamarind, facilitating the extraction of its flavor. The soaking process typically lasts for 1-2 hours to achieve optimal softening. Warm water accelerates the softening and flavor extraction from the tamarind. The softened tamarind pulp can then be easily mashed or strained for use in recipes. Soaking enhances the tamarind's characteristic sweet and sour taste profile. Tamarind pulp extraction involves separating the pulp from the seeds after soaking. Mashing the tamarind thoroughly is crucial for efficient pulp extraction. Manual extraction allows for careful separation of the pulp from the seeds. The extracted tamarind pulp is used as a base ingredient in various culinary applications. Mashed tamarind undergoes a straining process to isolate the pulp from seeds and fibrous materials. The straining process effectively separates the smooth tamarind pulp, resulting in a refined product. The desired smooth tamarind pulp is collected for further use. The separation process ensures the removal of unwanted solids, enhancing the quality of the tamarind pulp. Straining is a crucial step in refining tamarind for culinary applications. Tamarind pulp is prepared for cooking by being placed into a cooking pot. The cooking pot containing the tamarind pulp is placed on a stove. The stove is set to medium heat to begin the cooking process. The tamarind pulp is gently heated to facilitate breakdown and flavor release. Consistent heat distribution ensures even cooking and prevents scorching. The cooking process extracts the essence and flavor from the tamarind pulp. Jaggery or sugar is added to the tamarind pulp. The addition of sweetener balances the tartness of the tamarind. The amount of sweetener added is carefully measured to achieve the desired taste. Sweeteners like jaggery contribute to the overall flavor profile of the dish. The mixture of tamarind and sweetener creates a harmonious blend of flavors. The process involves continuous stirring of the mixture. Jaggery or sugar is added to tamarind pulp. Complete melting of the sweetener is essential. The mixture transforms into a homogeneous solution. This process ensures the sweetener fully integrates with the tamarind pulp. Salt is a crucial ingredient that enhances the overall flavor profile of the dish. Red chili powder contributes heat and vibrant color to the culinary creation. Roasted cumin powder adds a warm, earthy note, deepening the complexity of the dish's taste. Black salt introduces a unique sulfuric tang, providing a distinctive finishing touch. Spices are integrated into the tamarind pulp mixture. Sweetener is added to the spice and tamarind mixture. The mixture of spices, tamarind pulp, and sweetener is thoroughly combined. Complete integration of ingredients ensures a consistent flavor profile. The mixing process ensures uniform distribution of all components. Thorough mixing is essential for achieving the desired taste and texture. Simmering chutney on low heat allows it to thicken. A low heat setting is crucial for achieving the desired consistency. The simmering process typically lasts for 5 to 7 minutes. Thickening occurs as moisture evaporates during simmering. Consistent stirring helps prevent sticking and ensures even thickening. Chutney consistency is assessed to ensure it has reached the desired thickness. The thickening process involves reducing moisture content through simmering. Desired consistency is achieved when the chutney coats the back of a spoon without running. Visual inspection is a key method for determining chutney consistency. Overthickened chutney may require the addition of liquid to adjust the consistency. Achieving the correct consistency is crucial for optimal flavor and preservation. The cooked chutney must cool to room temperature before further processing or storage. Cooling prevents condensation inside sealed containers, which can promote microbial growth. Allowing the chutney to cool ensures optimal flavor development and prevents damage to storage containers. Cooling to room temperature is a critical step in food preservation and safety. Cooled chutney is transferred into a clean glass bottle for storage. The glass bottle must be cleaned to prevent contamination and ensure product safety. Proper storage in a sealed glass bottle preserves the chutney's flavor and extends its shelf life. Glass bottles provide an inert barrier, preventing chemical reactions between the chutney and the container. Airtight sealing of the bottle prevents oxidation and microbial growth, maintaining the chutney's quality. Correct bottling techniques are essential for safe and long-term food preservation. Refrigeration is used for the storage and preservation of bottled chutney. Refrigeration slows down microbial growth, extending the shelf life of the chutney. Lower temperatures inhibit enzymatic reactions that cause spoilage. Refrigeration maintains the quality and flavor of the bottled chutney over time. Proper storage in a refrigerator helps prevent foodborne illnesses. Tamarind chutney is commonly served as an accompaniment to samosas. The chutney enhances the flavor profile of the samosas, providing a sweet and tangy counterpoint. This pairing illustrates a common culinary practice of using chutneys to complement savory dishes. Serving suggestions often highlight traditional and complementary food pairings. The combination of samosas and tamarind chutney is a popular appetizer or snack. Tamarind chutney serves as a versatile garnish, enhancing the flavor profile of chaat. The chutney's sweet and tangy notes complement the savory and spicy elements of chaat. Drizzling tamarind chutney adds both visual appeal and a burst of flavor to the chaat. As a garnish, tamarind chutney elevates the overall sensory experience of enjoying chaat.